Hinkhy bahai tungbai khajana mara kiching song khaklai rok jotono kaham korong no tong na hene haina rok ni bagui latest update tuwi phaikwa o bini bisingtui chung saimal nainai je chini bubagra kha hamjakliya kha phurjakliya Belai kheno nasilai jakmani kalaika je chini sar eke Mishra Interlocuter no tamni hinkhe bo phaina kokriwo phaia sudu chini bubagra simi bokha hamyangya tamni hinkhe kwbang kok chini tipra hasteni tipra sarok chini tipra so dofarok no je phaina kokriwo phaia mane bagi kha hamjakliya greater tipralan chini demand okini baksa ke salai tonglaika baksa ba salai taka abo fokker se tatal se roba herokene gahani bagi chini bubagra bo saka je notice life ni bisingtui ora bobono saka je tipra motha chief and royal sign product Deborma is clearly upset over the delay in the visit of special advisor MSA Mishra to Tripura. Speaking exclusive to Notice Live Affairs, Deborma ruled out meeting Mishra even if he were to arrive in the state any time soon. Deborma said that he has run out of patience and is not interested in meeting the proposed central interlocutor. Deborma warned that with no solution inside, the only option left for him was to hit the streets. Ni o jaga notice live ni bisingtei borok o kokno suirikha je notice live ni jeta reporter oro o kong sana naka borok je tipra mothani jeta supremo chini bubagra product kishur maniko Deborma bini srai kok je eke Mishra tipra hastio final layer mani bagui chini bubagra kha phurjakli oro saka je Deborma ruled out meeting Mishra even he were to arrive in the state any time soon. Tamni hinkhe buskang salam Phai tongo je eke Mishra ahepono chini bubagra je saka o je bo abono tui nasingnani bo muchungliya tamni hinkhe bini kuno interest bo korikha meeting khlaina bo kuno interest korikha je central interlocutor eke Mishra no tui ni chini bubagra saka bo phaimala phainai tipra hawa ahepono bo phai tongkhaina chawo bo phai ni batama khalani bo lama wa nongkhori tongkhaina chawo ni chini bubagra ni srai ko hinkhe norok saiman kana hinkhy tabuk phaidi je borok notice live ni bisingtui je bubagra song kok salaimani je ajagao abono tinorok no kisa video clip no phono gei renai.
You made a statement in Guwahati that even if the interlocutor comes, you are not going to meet him. So can you please?
No, my party can meet him. I will not meet him.
Sorry?
My party can meet him. I will not meet him.
What are your grievances that you are not meeting him?
Why should I meet him?
So what can be the way forward? If
I don't think there is a way forward.
There is no way forward.
I don't think so.
So where does the issue end then?
It does not end.
So you're not going to meet him?
No, I will not meet him. Let the party meet him.
Okay.
Let other stakeholders meet him. I'll personally not meet him.
So can your party decide on the talks or?
Of course, party has already been empowered. There's a high-powered committee. We'll go and meet him.
Okay, so if the party comes up with any decision in the talks, so how will you?
If it's not to the satisfaction of the indigenous people, then I will not agree. And I'm sure the party will not take any decision which will be against the interest of the indigenous people. I'm sure about that also. And I don't think the interlocutor is coming because I've been told 6-7 times and I have not seen him.
Okay.
So I'm not sure if he's coming.
Okay. So you're not seeing any solution coming, right?
See, if the interlocutor has not come till date,
Yes.
then what is the solution? I was ready for a solution.
Yes.
But has anyone come from Delhi?
That's right.
Notification came out, then they cancelled. Then Amit Shah said he's coming, then they haven't come. So they called me up. Mr. Mishra called me a few times. Then Manipur problem happened.
Okay.
So who am I to say if any solution is going to come?
What would be your next step if no talks happen?
We will hit the streets.
Okay. Any deadline for that?
I don't give deadlines. I think patients have run thin. People only go to Manipur because there is violence.
Okay.
When people are asking for something peacefully, then there is no reaction. Okay. So the government of India, I don't think has not taken. I think they're probably very busy, so they have not taken us very seriously. If they're serious, then they will talk. If they're not serious, then they will not talk.
Okay. Previously also you decided something like that, but NEDA convener...
They called me up. NEDA convener said, please show some patience.
Yes.
So I waited, and I'm still waiting. But now I've realized that As an individual, I don't want to, be involved.
Okay.
What is deadline? Is deadline trying to break the party while saying please wait?
So you're not seeing any solution coming?
No, I only see solution coming when you shake the tree. See, I have no complaints against the central leadership of BJP
Okay.
or Hemanta.
Okay.
That I have no
Okay.
complaint.
Okay.
But I think the attitude of the state government is regretful. What is the use of sending people after they've gone back 4 times on their work?
Aga khazana mare kijing sangrok saiman kana je Bubagra ne srai kok je interlocutor je phaina henei kok rio phaia ama hai wngma ni bagai bini kha phurjaglia tini ni je video tamni hinke buskang sala interlocutor je eke Mishra phainai phaipano abo kono solution te wnglia ni chini Bubagra saboi rio tamni hinke obo ngka kaisa bisingo borong chal choli tongna tamni ke chini tipra soroni borok ham karai naya on bagi chini Bubagra bo bono ti kuno intergrika ngai chini Bubagra bagai norok like rudi tamni hinke chini Bubagra khab kha kotor ngai sukno jotona haina hainrok next video malai phane jotona na hambai bye.